Welcome to our unboxing and setup guide for the Seaory S25 single-sided ID card printer. Let's get started. Carefully remove the packaging materials to reveal the printer and its accessories. In the box, you will find the Seaory S25 printer, Bodno ID card software, Bronze Edition, a pack of 300 Bodno Premium CR80 30mm graphic quality PVC cards, a Seaory 11011 color ribbon for the S25 printer, a Bodno Full HD 1080p web camera with built-in HD microphone, a cleaning roller, a power adapter, 5 cleaning cards, a power cable, and a USB cable. Place the printer on a stable surface and connect the power adapter and power cable. Next, connect the USB cable to the printer and your computer. To install the cleaning roller, lift the upper cover of the printer, remove the ribbon cartridge, and place the cleaning roller in its designated slot. This will help keep your cards free of dust and ensure high-quality prints. Now, let's install the ribbon. Open the ribbon box and place the ribbon into the cartridge following the color directions. Insert the ribbon cartridge back into the printer and close the upper cover. Before powering on your printer, visit bodno.com/setup to register your printer, activate your software, and ensure your warranty is in place. You'll need your order number to complete registration. Once done, you'll receive your Bodno Bronze Edition software with an activation code for download. Follow the instructions on screen to install the necessary drivers and software. With everything set up, let's perform a test print. Congratulations! Your Seaory S25 single-sided ID card printer is now set up and ready to use. For more information, visit our website or contact our support team.